Welcome to the ultimate medieval mystery tour. See if you can identify these incredible castles, temples, and monuments built hundreds of years ago. Which country is home to the famous Leaning Tower of Pisa? Is it A, France, B, Italy, or C, Spain? It's B, Italy. The soft ground made it tilt. What is the name of this massive defensive wall built to protect northern borders? Is it A, Great Wall of China, B, Hadrian's Wall, or C, the Berlin Wall? It's A, Great Wall of China. It was rebuilt during the Ming Dynasty. Which French city is home to the beautiful Notre Dame Cathedral? Is it A, Rome, B, London, or C, Paris? It's C, Paris. It is a Gothic masterpiece. Which ancient civilization built the Step Pyramid Temple of Chichen Itza? Is it A, the Mayans, B, the Romans, or C, the Egyptians? It's A, the Mayans. They built it for their serpent god. In which city can you visit the ancient Hagia Sophia with its massive dome? Is it A, Athens, B, Istanbul, or C, Cairo? It's B, Istanbul. It was built in the 6th century. In search of royalty, which English city would you visit to see the Tower of London? Is it A, London, B, Edinburgh, or C, Dublin? It's A, London, founded by William the Conqueror. Which famous Italian city on water is home to the stunning St. Mark's Basilica? Is it A, Florence, B, Naples, or C, Venice? It's C, Venice, famous for its golden mosaics. Which Southeast Asian country is famous for the temple complex of Angkor Wat? Is it A, Vietnam, B, Cambodia, or C, Thailand? It's B, Cambodia, built in the 12th century. What is the name of this beautiful hilltop palace complex in Granada, Spain? Is it A, the Alhambra, B, Versailles, or C, Neuschwanstein? It's A, the Alhambra, a stunning Moorish fortress. Which Russian city features the colorful onion-domed St. Basil's Cathedral? Is it A, St. Petersburg, B, Moscow, or C, Kazan? It's B, Moscow. It stands in Red Square. High in the Andes Mountains, which empire built the cloud-shrouded city of Machu Picchu? Is it A, the Aztecs, B, the Incas, or C, the Mayans? It's B, the Incas, built as a royal estate. What is the name of this famous gold-covered Zen Buddhist temple in Kyoto, Japan? Is it A, Golden Pavilion, B, Silver Pavilion, or C, Todaiji? It's A, Golden Pavilion. It is covered in gold leaf. This medieval abbey, Mont Saint-Michel, is built on a rocky island in which country? Is it A, England, B, Ireland, or C, France? It's C, France, a beautiful tidal island monastery. Which ruler built the Citadel of Cairo in Egypt during the Crusades? Is it A, Saladin, B, Charlemagne, or C, Richard the Lionheart? It's A, Saladin. He fortified it in the 12th century. In which African nation can you find these famous churches carved directly out of solid rock? Is it A, Egypt, B, Ethiopia, or C, Kenya? It's B, Ethiopia. They were carved downwards into earth. In which country can you see the breathtaking landscape of thousands of ancient temples at Bagan? Is it A, Myanmar, B, India, or C, Indonesia? It's A, Myanmar. Over 10,000 temples were built. Known as the White Heron Castle, in which country is Himeji Castle located? Is it A, China, B, South Korea, or C, Japan? It's C, Japan. It is a famous samurai-era castle. Which Indonesian island is home to Borobudur, the world's largest Buddhist temple? Is it A, Java, B, Bali, or C, Sumatra? It's A, Java, built in a giant mandala shape. Which country features the incredibly preserved medieval double-walled city of Carcassonne? Is it A, Spain, B, Germany, or C, France? It's C, France, a magnificent double-walled fortress. What unique building material was used to build the Great Mosque of Janneh in Mali? Is it A, mud brick, B, white marble, or C, red sandstone? It's A, mud brick, the largest mud brick building ever. Which European capital city is famous for the historic stone Charles Bridge? Is it A, Vienna, B, Prague, or C, Budapest? It's B, Prague. It crosses the Vltava River. Which ancient multi-level underground city was carved into the volcanic rock of Cappadocia, Turkey? Is it A, Derinkuyu, B, Petra, or C, Herculaneum? It's A, Derinkuyu. It's sheltered up to 20,000 people. What type of structure is the architectural marvel Chand Bauri in Rajasthan, India? Is it A, a fortress, B, a stepwell, or C, an observatory? It's B, a stepwell. It has thousands of symmetrical steps. What type of rare wooden building is the famous 12th century church of Borgund, Norway? Is it A, log cabin, B, stave church, or C, cathedral dome? It's B, stave church, built entirely of wood. Which castle, built by the Teutonic Knights in Poland, is the largest castle in the world by land area? Is it A, Malbork Castle, B, Windsor Castle, or C, Bran Castle? It's A, Malbork Castle, a massive red brick fortress. In search of ancient ruins, in which country can you climb the towering rock fortress of Sigiriya? Is it A, India, B, Nepal, or C, Sri Lanka? It's C, Sri Lanka, built on a massive rock column. Which historic African kingdom built the massive stone circular walls known as Great Zimbabwe? Is it A, Kingdom of Zimbabwe, B, Mali Empire, or C, Kingdom of Aksum? It's A, Kingdom of Zimbabwe. It had massive dry stone walls. Which English cathedral features a unique medieval wooden central octagon ceiling built in 1322? Is it A, York Minster, B, Canterbury Cathedral, or C, Ely Cathedral? It's C, Ely Cathedral, a medieval engineering triumph. How many medieval wonders did you guess correctly? Tell us your score in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more fun quizzes.